Welcome back to Hook and Sword. Today I am going to show you my favorite stitch to make out of all of the stitches in basic stitches, which is half double crochet. I use this on almost every single project. So if you learn how to do half double crochet, you can use this to make most of my projects on this channel. So the reason why I like it is because the stitches are larger than a single crochet, so you don't have to make as many rows. But it is also doesn't show much holes in them as you would see in a double crochet or a treble. And I use it on hats, scarves, I've used it on blankets, so this is definitely a good stitch to learn how to make. So without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera down and I'll show you how to make this. Alright, we are going to get our yarn and make that slip stitch, putting our fingers underneath and making an X, like so. And then we are going to flip it over, and now we have two loops on our fingers. We're going to take our hook, we're going to go under and over. And we're going to pull all the way through and get that knot right next to your hook. Pull right there. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be making some chains. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So I'm just going to make a few, probably about 15 chains I'll do. Alright, so here are my chains. Now you can see there are V's. Okay, so we are going to be crocheting in the second stitch from your hook. So we're going to skip one V and go in the next one. Okay, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Let's do this again. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook to the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright, this is what it's looking like, and you're going to crochet all the way down. Okay, so I have done most of the row except for the last 2 stitches right here. Okay, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Alright, the last one, gonna be in that V. There is our slip stitch right there. Do not crochet in that. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Alrighty, that's your first row. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and chain 1 and flip our work. And now we are going to do single crochet in both of those V's instead of just the one. You only crochet in the one when you're first starting out. Okay, we're going to yarn over, insert into both loops like this, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Do it again. Yarn over. Oh, okay. Yarn over, insert our hook, like so. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through. Okay, so you're just going to keep going all the way down. And this is what it's looking like. Alright, and I will see you back when I crochet a few more rows. Alright, here we go. I've done a few rows for you, And I am finishing this off. I'm on to the last 2 stitches right there. Alright, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright, last stitch, 3 loops, and all 3. There we go. This is what half double crochet looks like. I'm going to go ahead and cut the end, and I'm going to fasten off. So I am going to secure that loop by using my fingers and pulling that yarn through and tightening it. That's it. That is how you make half double crochet. So at the ends, I would get a yarn needle and sew in, just kind of hide them within the stitches. It doesn't need to be in any particular order. So that's it. That is how you make the half double crochet. So if you find this video helpful, feel free and give this video a like. That way I know. If you like this kind of content, feel free and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the half double crochet, or if you have any requests of any projects you'd like to see, feel free and leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!